Hi, this is Lily with UBot Studio, and I am here to demonstrate just how simple it is to create an account using UBot Studio. So here we're trying to create an account, and it's asking for a username, an email, password, and of course the confirmation password field. And it's asking us to choose one of these radio buttons, to check one of these radio buttons. And it says I want to create an account to comment, or I want to install Intense Debate on my blog or website. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click and drag the username field into the script. Now, we don't really want to have to type in a username. Why should we have to? So we want UBot to create a username for us. And you can find these options under account constants when the parameter window pops up whenever you click and drag anything. So you click username, you drag it into this field, and then you click OK. You can do the same thing with email, but we want to be able to confirm in case there's a confirmation email, we want to be able to confirm it through our email. So we're going to put in our email. And we're going to click OK. And for the password, again, we don't want to have to write our own password in. I mean, it's just tedious. So we go under Account Constants, click and drag the password constant into that field, click OK, and then do the same thing for the confirmation password field. It'll use the same password, so you don't have to worry about it having two different passwords in the account. So you click OK. And for the radio buttons, just click and drag the one you want into there, and it will check whichever one you want. So if you wanted this one too, I don't know, for whatever reason, then you can click and drag and it'll check the boxes. So if you run this script right now, what we have right now, if you press play, it fills the fields for us. And let's say we changed our minds about these radio buttons. So we don't want to click the first one. We want to check the second one. So let's delete this. Just click delete, press delete. And then we want to drag and drop it right here. And if you run it again, then it chooses that one. But for now, we are trying to just create an account for commenting. So click and drag that option in there. And as for this button, sometimes you can click and drag a button into the script and it'll click it, no big deal. But there are times when you can't click it. You can't just click and drag. And if that happens, it's not a big deal. Just right click, choose by attribute, and there are all these other options. Some will not always have a value to it. In this case, there's an inner text and it says sign up. That makes sense to me, so it's going to work. Then you're going to right click and say click chosen right here. So when you run this script, your account has been created. And you can use this to expand their tutorials and lots of information out there on how to go into your email account and scrape the confirmation email URL, if there is one, or confirmation code, or whatever you're trying to do. You can expand it and do wonderful things with UBot Studio. So for now, I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to create an account with UBot Studio. And so there are lots of things you can do with this, and really the possibilities are endless. So I just wanted to demonstrate that for you. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you in other tutorials.